Hi, I'm Nick Guida from Tamarack Aerospace Group, and I want to talk to you about leadership. Good people make good business. That's a philosophy I live by and a rule to never forget when building an efficient and invested team. Tamarack has an incredibly unique, spirited company culture, unseen amongst most technology companies, with a long list of quirks and some big personalities. Our last decade of work in the aviation sustainability world has been a product of good old-fashioned teamwork and an incredible concept. But the team within the work is the critical aspect. Here are my 6 ways to help build a better team. It's going to be a stronger team and a better, more gelled team. First, you build team values. You reflect the integrity you wish to see in your team. You communicate frequently with your teams about goals and important values, mission statements, and those kind of things. You establish trust from your employees and customers by following through with company values and keeping an open line of communication. That being truthful is easy in the good times, but essentially important in the turbulent times. Number 2, you define key roles, but recognize that any role or employee within a company can evolve. If someone's really good, you find them a place and you evolve them, Just wait, you don't wait for this to happen. You cultivate it, you expect it, you ask for it. A strong team sees room for growth and embraces the process. When your vision benefits others and everyone puts in the work, the result is success. Number 3, choose people who want to be there. This seems simple, but in order to benefit everyone, everybody's got to be pulled in the same direction. Put the right team leaders in place who help mature and nurture the company environment in a healthy way. Understand your team by getting to know them and engaging with them on a personal level too. Number 4, set the course and be willing to make course corrections. You've heard the North Star, right? Find the North Star and run toward it. When operating within a team, always keep the main goal, vision, mission statement, and timeline in mind as you're going through the process. Celebrate success and failure and how they've benefited your goal and accelerated in many cases. Success consists of going from failure to failure without a loss of enthusiasm. That's Winston Churchill. Acknowledge and reward your victories. Really important. Number 5, be a thoughtful leader when making decisions. Listen to feedback, to be open to them, open new ideas, and show trust in your team by giving up a lot to them. Remember to follow your best instincts rather than your ego when making decisions, and that's tough for a lot of people. Number 6, be aware of how you and your team work. Be aware of it, how you work independently and how you work together, and really understand it and try to be a student of that. Encourage balance between work and personal time, expressing the importance of recharging your batteries. If working under pressure or a deadline, work with your team to help block out the noise. Focus and finish, focus and finish. You set these goals and you run towards them. So a lot of my customers are successful entrepreneurs, and you already know these things, and sometimes it's better and often helpful to get input from different viewpoints. So thanks for listening today, and remember, Tamarack takes you further.